potato casserole, and I'm gonna add some chicken to it. The chicken is optional. It's usually just a potato casserole, but I'm gonna make it a little bit different. We're gonna try with chicken, and I hope you like this recipe. It's very easy. It doesn't take too many ingredients. You can make it for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, for any occasion that you have. So here we go. First we have already cooked rotisserie chicken. I bought the Mojo, but really that doesn't make a difference. So I'm probably going to be using half of it, the breast. Maybe I use both of the breast and the drumstick, and maybe some of the wings too. It all depends how good those wings are. I'm gonna also put some cheddar cheese. I'll probably use the whole package. 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, any brand, doesn't have to be Campbell, any brand. And these have 10.5 ounces, 2 of those. And 18 ounces of sour cream. This one that I had it already, and it's 16 ounces. So I'm gonna add a little bit more to it. I'm gonna be needing something big to put everything in. Okay, and we're gonna bake it as well. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and shred the chicken, and after that is done, I'll come back. So this is the most important ingredient for this dish, which is hash brown, frozen hash brown. I'm going to use 1 package, and this package has 1 pound, 14 ounces of hash brown. Any brand, it doesn't have to be Ore-Ida. Okay, so if it's frozen solid, what I do is I put some hot water inside the sink and just put it in there for a few minutes on each side, and just press it. Just press it like that so it'll come apart. It doesn't have to be thawed all the way or anything, just as long as you can take it apart so you can mix it with the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so that's only if it's frozen solid. Okay, so now I already shredded the chicken, and I used both breast and I used the wings. I didn't use the drumstick. So now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. We're gonna put this in here with the chicken, the whole bag. Is more than enough, especially if you have chicken. Okay, so let me just mix it a little bit. The chicken. I'm also gonna add a little bit of pepper. And you can add anything else you like to this recipe, not just the chicken and the cheese and the hash brown. You can add as many ingredients as you like. Okay, so add the whole bag of cheese. And add the 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. One of them is low sodium, and I think it's better. I think it's better to buy low sodium cream of chicken. So I have one of each, one low sodium and one with sodium. Now I'm gonna add the 16 ounces of sour cream. 16 ounces of sour cream and a little bit more. That should be good. I eyeballed it, I didn't measure it, but that should be good. It's supposed to be 18 ounces of sour cream. Gotta do this carefully so I don't spill it again. That should do it. That should do it. And I'm gonna clean it around the edges before I put it in the oven. There we go. Every time I make one of these dishes, I try to clean the edges as much as possible because it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good with messy edges, and you know, if you're gonna eat it at home with your family, well, maybe you can let that pass. But if you're gonna take it maybe to a potluck or some kind of a event that you're going to, I will clean up those edges like I'm doing now. So try to clean it as much as possible. Clean here and here, important there. And now it goes into the oven for about an hour. And the temperature is going to be 400 degrees, 400 Fahrenheit. I always keep a tray in the oven. I always keep this tray in the oven, so if there's any spill from whatever I cook, it doesn't go to the bottom of the oven. It's easier to clean. There we go. I didn't preheat the oven or anything like that. If you want, you can preheat it, but I didn't. After the hour is up, we'll look in there and see how well it's done. If it needs more time, I will add some more time and I will let you know. Okay, so the oven just went off, and we're gonna take the potato casserole out of, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna broil it. So bear with me just one moment. Let me take this out of the oven, and when I have it up here on the stove, I'll get back to you. This is what it looks like now. What I'm gonna do is I had some cheese from I have another type of cheese here, which I'm gonna sprinkle over it, and I'm gonna put it back in the oven. And I'm gonna put it back in the oven, but in broil. It's not a lot. It's just I wish I would have saved some from the one that I put in it, but that's fine. This is good enough. I'm gonna put it in broil right now. I'm gonna time it like about half an hour. I don't think I'm gonna leave it there half an hour on the broil setting of the oven. Just, we'll see. So, but I did bake it for exactly 1 hour at 400 degrees. So let me put it in the oven, and I'm gonna put it on broil. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna set it the same way that I baked it, on the same level, which is not way up here. It's almost toward the center. So that's where I'm gonna leave it for broiling as well. Okay, so broil. Timer, where's the timer? Let's put half an hour. Minutes. Okay, broil at 500 for 30 minutes, and we'll see. Like I said, I might not leave it there the full half hour. I'll let you know. Okay, so there we have it. I only left it on the broil setting for about 12 minutes, and it got this really nice color, so I don't want it any darker than that. All I'm gonna do is a little bit of garnishing for presentation and looks, with a little stems of basil. That's just for looks. Okay, and there we have it. Now I'm gonna cut it, and my son Ivan is gonna do the honor of trying it out first. I'm gonna cut it right here. Oh my goodness, it's nice and crispy. Soft, creamy. Okay, it fell apart. I'm sure the taste is gonna be just as good. Okay, there you have it. Delicious. And Ivan is gonna do the honor of tasting. Let's put some few leaves of basil here so it will look a little bit prettier. Ivan, he's gonna try it and he's gonna let us know how it tastes. If it's not good,
restaurant quality dish.
If it's not good, let us know. Probably very hot.
Delicious.
Delicious, right?
Yep.
Okay, great. I'm glad he liked it. I have never made it with a chicken before, so I'm glad it tastes good. Not too firm.
I haven't tasted a little crust.
The crust must be delicious. But the taste is what counts.
Pretty hot.
Yes, okay. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and just press the little bell to get notification on the next videos. Bye-bye.